Okay, so let's talk about logos. So if you watched Ryan's Toys, you'll see sometimes a little logo down at the bottom of his screen. And if you watch my videos, you'll also see a logo that I had down there. Now that's me, and that's just part of brand attraction, and I just wanted to really work a brand in there. And so how I got my logo is what I did. I'll tell you what I did with my logo and how I got it. Now the logo on this channel I did through Canva. But the logo, that logo, I took 2 pictures of the boys and I had someone create a caricature of them. And then I took the caricatures and gave it to someone who created a logo for it based on that. And that's the logo. You could do a watermark down on your channel under customization, but I just put it on the videos myself every time. So, and then of course you can lighten it up, fade it, whatever you want, or not have one. It's completely up to you. So there you go. That's how I made my logo.
Well, hello. Destroyed.
Can you say, please like and subscribe?
People do right.
And hit the bell for notifications.
People, you know, that they didn't.